Hi guys, today I am doing a wash and go with Aussie's Miracle Curls. This is their leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to just section my hair and apply that all over. I am also making sure that my hair is thoroughly wet to ensure that it doesn't dry while I'm applying the product because this is a wash and go. Now it's the same method that I'm using. I like to detangle with the Denman brush first, and then I'm going to apply Aussie's Miracle Curls. It's like their pudding, I guess. It's a very interesting consistency, I'll tell you that. It feels like it's jelly when you look at it, it looks like a gel-like consistency, but when I applied it on my hair, it kind of felt more like a cream. And I was excited about that because I figured it'd give me a good amount of moisture, and if it could definitely give me definition, then those are the two things that I'm looking for right now in my wash and goes. So at this point, guys, I was pretty excited about how the product was applying to my hair. It did bring a certain amount of softness, and it did define my curls a little bit. I feel like I may have jinxed myself because I really thought it was going well, and I didn't really foresee any potential problems as it was drying. But this is what it looks like right now. I'm raking, doing my normal process, and then I'm gonna just finish off my whole head, and I'll come back and talk to you guys about where it's at. So it was at this very moment that I realized that this wash and go was not going to turn out the way that I wanted to. As it was drying, I would say here was probably maybe 60% dry. It started to frizz in certain areas, and I was really confused because it seemed to have some great definition. And usually I get frizz during a wash and go if I'm messing around with it. I did not touch it whatsoever. So if I got frizz, that basically meant, in my opinion, that the product just didn't really do anything or much of anything for my hair because it just got agitated. I would like to have believed at this moment that my hair would dry and change, but I kind of felt like it wasn't. So I'm going to show you guys a quick fix that I do when I have issues with my wash and goes, and I don't want to have to either retwist it or do it again and feel like it was a complete and utter fail. That was natural hair. The main concern or the areas that I personally look for to be defined is whatever hair is nearest to my face, especially since I have bangs now. I do not like when those are super frizzy because I feel like it kills the style. Now, frizz in general is really not a big thing for anyone in the natural hair community. As most of you may probably know, it does give you volume, and it can kind of make your hair look nicer sometimes, I think. Just a little frizz here and there, which I don't mind. But near the front of my face, I just feel like that hair should be defined as much as possible. Hi guys, so it's the next day and my hair this is the final results. Like I said, I twisted the front, some of the sides just to kind of bring some definition to the front of my hair. My final thoughts on this product is a no for me. It's a no, because here's what happened. So last night, when I thought that at least the front was dry, it felt kind of soft. There wasn't much definition, but it was at least soft. It didn't have like a cast or a crunch. Today, this morning, I woke up and it's very crunchy, and the back is wet. like inside here is still wet, which is another like super no for me. Does not happen. Rarely ever happens that a wash and go for me is wet the next morning. Sometimes my twists and my braids are, but not a wash and go. So this is just an all around no for me. And I'm really kind of sad because when I was applying it, it definitely feel like it had great potential to do something great. And I guess it didn't want to be great for me, which is fine. It might be great for someone else, but it wasn't great for me. So I'm going to have to pass up on it. I do love Aussie's products, so actually I'll put that at the end of this video. I have done a video on their product. Their conditioner especially really helped me get through my tougher days with my hair in terms of detangling it and just making it softer. So I think maybe it was just this product in particular that didn't do it, but it's not for me. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you next time in the next one. Also, for my next wash and go, I do want to try a hair mask. So if there are any hair masks that you know of that are good for like restoring dull, kind of lifeless hair, or just, you know, giving some oomph to the curl pattern, please do put that down below. I am on the hunt for a good one, and I will be showing you guys the results of whichever one I pick. So thank you, and I'll see you next time.